Right, so today I've taken you to somewhere really special that's got links with Las Vegas. Can you guess what it is yet? No? No, probably not. Because the nickname for this place is called Skeg Vegas. Yes, exactly. So welcome to Skegness. And now we start to get to the main area of Skegness where things start to occur. 10-pin bowling. And the amusements. The one thing I will say with Skegness is it's a well planned out seafront. You've got your theme park, you've got parking there if you haven't got a roof box on or anything large, but it seems to be well planned out. And as you can see, the beach is not far from anywhere. It's lovely beach sand. Type of beaches that don't always get covered in water, so they tend to be nice and dry and sandy. Oh, and look, we've got Lightning McQueen. Or something like it. As you can see, they've got plenty of rides that will certainly swing you about a bit, where everything's nice and close together. You've got a variety. It's not just the big rides. You go to your Alton Towers, etc. and you've got your big rides, which are great. But you've got the smaller places as well. The little merry-go-rounds. Something that the little children can enjoy just as much. But they've got a good selection. Fantasy Island may have the big rides, but this, although the water looks a bit filthy. Yeah, I don't fancy that water much. Certainly get a good splash out of it though. Behind this Jolly Fisherman is one of the biggest areas of the fun fair. And then we go on to the main beach area. If you've ever come to the east coast of Lincolnshire, Skegness, you've seen this a number of times. This emblem. Get in your little boat and sail around. Just at the side of this archway, there's another option to go boating. A few fish and chip shops. Ice cream parlour. If you look over here, there's just a little fairground. More of the classic type of fairground attractions. I'll have to replace the music so that Mr. YouTube doesn't get too upset. Roundabout, mini roller coaster for your budding 4, 5, 6-year-olds. Have we got? Oh, a swing. Yes, Skegness. It's a different place to go to, very family orientated. The one thing that I will mention before we cut off, if you've got a roof box, you can struggle to park because a lot of the car parks have roof limits on them, which most roof boxes, if you put them on your car, If you enjoy this type of video, do comment, like And if you hit that subscribe button, Mr. YouTube loves it. Anyway, I'll speak to you on the next video.